The Silhouette software is very easy to use. The way to make a cutting file is to, first of all, when you download any images into your computer, put them all in the same file so the software knows where to go when you look for something. To open up a new file, you go up to the drop-down menu at the top left of the program and click Open. And hopefully it will be trained to go to the same folder where you've already dumped everything. So I'm going to click on one of the black and white images, and I have opened the trace window. If you look over here on the right side of the software, there's the blue bread. You click on that, and this is the trace panel. The only thing you can do is click on Select Trace Area, place your cursor in the corner of the design, and highlight the design. It will turn yellow. You go down here to the bottom of these numbers, which you will never use, and click Trace. Re-click on the design and take away your original black and white thing, and I usually just delete it. Now this is ready to use, but optionally you can make it even easier to use by clicking on it and going up here to this S, and that will simplify the curves a little bit so it cuts faster. See how it's taken away some of the dots? Then you can go back up to your moving tool, click on the moving tool, see the select tool is lit here. And if you go above it, you can colorize your cut file so you can see where it is. Then you can place it on your mat. Now this is a image of your mat. I am using 12 by 24 mats, and size it to fit. The next step to cut it is to load your material into your cutter and go up here to the top right of your software and click on Send. To cut the Pelon 830, there's many presets in the drop-down menu on the right-hand side. To cut the Pelon 130, I usually start with the cardstock plane, and I increase the pressure, and I turn on the overcut. And this, none of those are pulling up because we don't have a machine plugged in, but that is how it's set. I will show you the settings that work. To cut fabric, you would go in the menu and click on fabric. So once you have the correct settings in there, click on Send, and it will start cutting. And then you can go back to your Design tab, and you can design more things.